You need to hear this if you're a horror fan. Ready for 3 spine-tingling facts? First up, did you know there's a rare sleep disorder called exploding head syndrome? It makes you hear loud bangs or explosions in your head as you fall asleep. Imagine trying to sleep with that. Next, let's talk about dolls. Did you know some people collect haunted dolls? These dolls are said to move on their own, and even whisper to their owners at night. Creepy, right? Lastly, have you heard about the Devil's Kettle? It's a waterfall in Minnesota where half the water disappears into a hole and no one knows where it goes. Scientists have been baffled for years, so there you have it. 3 creepy facts to keep you up tonight. Sweet dreams. Exposing the weird side of our world. You won't believe these 3 crazy facts. Fact number 1. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't? Yep. Turns out we've been lied to by our fruit salads this whole time. Fact number 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Talk about an overachiever, right? Makes you wonder what else they're hiding down there in the ocean. And lastly, fact number 3. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig. Why? Because they're social animals and get lonely. Oh, that's a law I can get behind. So which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week. Catch you next time.
If you think popes are all about formality, think again. Here are 3 surprising facts about Pope Francis. First up, did you know that Pope Francis had part of his lung removed when he was just 21? Talk about resilience. He overcame that challenge and still managed to become the spiritual leader for millions. Secondly, he was a big fan of simplicity. In April 2024, he even updated funeral rites to focus on faith and humility, emphasizing the Church's belief in the resurrection. Finally, Pope Francis was always a man of the people. Despite battling severe pneumonia, he made a surprise appearance at St. Peter's Square just days before his passing. Now that's dedication! So, there you have it, 3 remarkable facts about Pope Francis that highlight his amazing journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories.
If you're a fan of wild science facts, you need to hear these earthquake surprises. Get ready to have your mind rattled. Let's dive in. First up, earthquakes happen every single day. But most are so small, we don't even feel them. Only the big ones grab headlines. Second, the largest recorded earthquake was in Chile in 1960. It was a massive magnitude 9.5, shaking the whole planet. And third, earthquakes don't just happen on land. They also strike under the ocean and can trigger giant waves called tsunamis. So next time you feel a little rumble, remember, our Earth is always on the move. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep learning.
Hey there, blockheads! Ready to learn some awesome Minecraft secrets? Fact number 1. Minecraft was originally called Cave Game. Seriously, that's like calling a burger bread meat. Fact number 2. You can find a painting in Minecraft called The Wither. But here's the twist. It's actually based on a real painting called Fighters by Swedish artist Kristoffer Zetterstrand. Art class just got a whole lot blockier. And finally, fact number 3. Did you know that Minecraft's Enderman language is actually English played backward and pitched down? So next time you hear them, you're actually getting a creepy backward message? Mind officially blown? Drop a like if you learned something new today and hit that subscribe button for more cool Minecraft facts. Keep crafting, and see you next time.
Why do 80% of people think clouds are just water vapor? Fact number 1. Did you know that the average cumulus cloud weighs as much as 100 elephants? Yep, those puffy white giants are heavy lifters. Fact number 2. Clouds can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. So next time you see one, remember it's basically the Usain Bolt of the sky. Fact number 3. Ever heard of a mammatus cloud? They look like a bunch of cotton balls hanging from the sky. But don't be fooled, they're often a sign of a severe storm brewing. So next time you look up, remember there's a whole world of wonder floating above you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Catch you later, Cloud Chasers.
Hey, GTA fans! Ever wondered what's new in GTA 6? Let's dive right in. First up, did you know that GTA 6 will feature a massive map combining all previous GTA cities? Imagine cruising from Los Santos to Vice City in one epic journey. Second fact, dynamic weather. We're talking hurricanes, blizzards, and even heat waves that affect gameplay. So, get ready to adapt to Mother Nature's mood swings. And finally, say hello to a playable female protagonist. For the first time ever, you'll be able to switch between a male and a female lead with unique storylines and missions. Equality for the win. That's it for now. Hit that like button if you're hyped for GTA 6, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome gaming content.
Listen up, science fans! Ever heard of a water bear? You're about to meet the wildest tiny creature on Earth. First, tardigrades are almost indestructible. Scientists have frozen them, boiled them, even blasted them into space, and they just keep on living. Second, they're super tiny. Most are less than 1 millimeter long. But under a microscope, they look like adorable 8-legged bears. Third, tardigrades can survive years without food or water. They just curl up into a dry little ball called a tun and wait for better days. So next time you drink a drop of pond water, remember, you might be toasting to one of the toughest creatures alive. That's the tardigrade. Tiny, tough, and totally awesome.
Think you know how the universe works? Think again. First up, did you know particles can be in 2 places at once? Yup, it's called superposition. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Next, quantum entanglement. When particles become linked, they can affect each other instantly, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having a twin that knows what you're thinking. Creepy, huh? And lastly, the observer effect. In quantum mechanics, just watching something can change its behavior. So, the next time you feel like someone's watching you, maybe they're changing your quantum state. Stay curious, folks. Quantum physics is just the tip of the iceberg of how strange and wonderful our universe truly is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending facts.
If you love nature and adventure, you'll want to hear this. Let's explore the wonders of bamboo forests together. First up, did you know bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth? Some species can shoot up nearly 3 feet in a single day. It's like nature's own skyscraper race. Next, bamboo forests are home to some unique and adorable residents. Yup, we're talking about pandas. These cuddly creatures munch on bamboo all day, making these forests their ultimate buffet. And lastly, bamboo isn't just a snack for pandas. It's an eco-friendly superhero. Bamboo releases 35% more oxygen than trees and absorbs tons of carbon dioxide. So visiting a bamboo forest means you're stepping into a natural air purifier. So next time you're planning a trip, consider a bamboo forest adventure. Who knows what other secrets you'll uncover? Stay curious and happy travels. Hey there, fancy a peek at Melbourne's hidden treasures? Let's get going. First up, did you know that Melbourne has the largest tram network in the world? Yep, over 250 kilometers of track. So hop on and enjoy a tram-tastic tour of the city. Next, hidden beneath the streets of Melbourne is a labyrinth of historic tunnels. These old bluestone tunnels were once used for drainage and even smuggling. Talk about an underground adventure, right? Last but not least, Melbourne's coffee culture is out of this world. But did you know the city hosts a secret coffee club? Yep, it's like Fight Club, but with caffeine. These hidden spots serve up some of the best brews you'll ever taste. So there you go, mates. 3 hidden gems that make Melbourne a true marvel. Ready to explore? Catch you later. Everybody is looking for amazing facts. Well, we've got 3 that'll knock your socks off. First up, did you know wombats poop cubes? Yep, you heard that right. Their intestines shape their poop into little cubes, perfect for marking their territory. Next, meet Jonathan, the oldest living land animal. This tortoise just celebrated his 192nd birthday. He's been chilling on the island of St. Helena since 1882, and finally brace yourself for this chilly treat. In Mongolia, ice cream is a winter delicacy. With temperatures dropping to minus 30 degrees Celsius, who needs a freezer? They store it in simple paper boxes. So, which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. If you're lost in the wild and unsure what to do next, these tips are for you. Here's how to stay alive. Fact number 1. If you're ever trapped in a car sinking in water, remember this. Don't panic. Roll down your windows immediately to equalize pressure and escape. Next up, fact 2. If you're lost and need water, don't drink from random streams. Look for running water like a river or stream and use a clean cloth to filter it. Boiling is even better if you can. Finally, fact 3. If you find yourself in a lightning storm, avoid tall objects. Crouch low, feet together on the balls of your feet. Reducing ground contact minimizes risk. Remember, these 3 facts could save your life. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy adventuring. Hold on to your socks, folks. We're about to step into the strangest footwear you've ever seen. First up, The fish flops. Yes, they're flip-flops that look like fish. Perfect for making a splash at your next beach party. Just don't let a cat see them. Next, we have the grass sandals. Ever wanted to walk on grass all day? Now you can. Just be prepared for people asking if you need a gardener. Finally, meet the horse hoof heels. These beauties will have you trotting down the street like a majestic steed. Warning, neighing not included. So which one would you dare to wear? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion fun. Stay fabulous, folks.
Are you freaked out by the unknown? Then space is about to get even spookier. Here are 3 terrifying truths you didn't know. First up, did you know space is completely silent? Yep, no sound at all, so if you scream, no one will hear you. Talk about eerie. Next, let's chat about black holes. These cosmic vacuum cleaners can suck in anything that gets too close, including light. Imagine being gobbled up by an invisible monster. Yikes. And finally, space isn't exactly a warm and cozy place, it's freezing. We're talking minus 455 degrees Fahrenheit. Forget your winter coat, you'd need a full-blown spacesuit just to survive. So there you have it. Space, beautiful, mysterious, and downright terrifying. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic chills.
What I wish I knew about Temu before diving into its tech world will blow your mind. Fact number 1. Temu exploits a quirky 1938 US trade rule called the de minimis provision. This lets them avoid duties and taxes on packages under $800. Pretty sneaky, right? Next up, Temu's marketing game is off the charts. In 2024, they went all out with 3 Super Bowl commercials and handed out over $15 million in coupons and giveaways. Their tagline, shop like a billionaire. Talk about going big. And finally, a bit more serious, Temu's compliance issues. In 2023, a US House report flagged them for not fully aligning with the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act. Despite their third-party code of conduct, enforcement is a problem. So there you have it, 3 surprising facts about Temu. Got more questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tidbits. I will show you how pineapples and cruise ships are an unexpected duo. Or am I the only one that didn't know these cool cruise ship facts? Fact number 1. Did you know pineapples are the universal symbol for hospitality? That's why you often see them on cruise ships welcoming you aboard. Fact number 2. Pineapple juice is a secret weapon for seasickness. A glass a day keeps the queasy away, so sip on that tropical goodness. And finally, fact number 3. Cruise ship chefs love using pineapples in their dishes. From grilled pineapple on the buffet to pineapple cocktails at the bar, it's a taste of paradise at sea. Now you know, next time you see a pineapple on a cruise, you'll smile and say, Aloha! Bon voyage!
What I wish I knew about hashtags when I started creating content. It would have saved me so much time. First up, did you know that hashtags can boost your engagement by up to 12%? Yep, just by adding that little hash symbol, you can get more eyes on your content. Fact 2. Niche hashtags are your BFF. Using super specific tags can connect you with a more targeted audience, rather than getting lost in the sea of popular tags. And finally, mixing it up is key. Don't just stick to the same hashtags every post. Experiment with different ones to see what clicks with your audience and keeps your content fresh. So next time you post, remember these hashtag hacks. Unlock the power of hashtags and watch your engagement soar. Happy tagging.
The 1800s weren't just about fancy dresses and top hats, they were about survival. Did you know that Victorian women's clothing could contain up to 14 pounds of undergarments? These weren't for fashion, they were a social requirement. Layers upon layers of petticoats, corsets, and bustles shaped the silhouette that defined status in society. Here's something shocking. Your green dress could literally kill you. In the 1800s, a popular green dye called Paris green contained deadly arsenic. Women actually died from wearing these fashionable but toxic dresses. Even the wallpaper in their homes wasn't safe if it contained this trendy color. But perhaps the most fascinating fact is this. Men's fashion underwent what historians call the Great Male Renunciation. Around 1800, men suddenly abandoned the bright colors, elaborate embroidery, and silk stockings of the previous century. Instead, they adopted the dark, somber suits that would eventually evolve into the modern business suit. This wasn't just a fashion choice. It was a revolution in how masculinity was displayed.
Welcome to Gliese 436b, a planet where ice is on fire. Despite surface temperatures reaching over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, the water remains frozen, crushed into solid form by the planet's extreme gravity. It's literally a world of burning ice. cold, but deadly. In space, no one can hear you scream, because sound can't travel through a vacuum. If your ship failed and you were stranded outside, you'd die alone, in complete eternal silence. No one would ever hear your last words. Black holes are terrifying enough. But did you know some of them are moving through space? These rogue black holes travel at thousands of miles per second, invisible and unstoppable. If one entered our solar system, we wouldn't see it coming, until it was too late. The universe is beautiful, but it hides horrors beyond imagination. Sleep tight if you can.
Did you know this dam holds enough water to fill 800,000 Olympic pools? Warragamba Dam stands 142 meters tall and stretches 1.2 kilometers wide. New South Wales' biggest, and it supplies water to over 5 million people. That's 80% of Sydney. It even has emergency floodgates that unleash massive water flows during major storms. Yep, this Aussie giant keeps a city hydrated and safe.
Follow for more mind-blowing facts about world landmarks.
PUBG revolutionized gaming. But here are 3 facts that might surprise you. First, PUBG wasn't actually the original Battle Royale game. Brendan Green, known as PlayerUnknown, first created a Battle Royale mod for Arma 2 in 2013. This mod inspired H1Z1's Battle Royale mode, and finally, PUBG was born. Second, PUBG hit a mind-blowing record of 3.2 million concurrent players on Steam in January 2018. That's more than the next 8 most-played games combined at that time. Even today, this record remains unbroken. And finally, here's something wild. The iconic frying pan wasn't meant to be a weapon. It was originally just meant to be a piece of loot, but players discovered it could block bullets. The developers loved this accident so much, they kept it in the game, creating one of gaming's most legendary melee weapons.
June 6, 1944. As bullets tear through the air and tanks roll through the streets, one soldier found an unusual way to survive. When his unit got pinned down, Private James Miller made a split-second decision. Using a broken piece of wood and metal wheels from a destroyed cart, he created what would later be known as the battle board. Through a hail of gunfire, he delivered crucial messages between units, becoming a legend among the troops. Sometimes the craziest ideas are what keep you alive, and sometimes they change history. This is the untold story of the skateboard that rolled through D-Day.